Sir, please unmute.
All of you listen here. Rasi, look at this side. Yeah. Trigonometry paper you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. How many of you got? How many of you got full marks? Only. You got full marks.
Yes, full speed.
Correct answer. You got. How many of you got 40? Don't tell me later, tell me. You. 69. Yeah. All of you stand there. Those who learn the formula can sit down.
Yes.
This just now I given the list of formula. You know all of them now?
Sir, what if we answer wrong?
Open your book. Open the book and learn. Nehal and Pratik has learned. Okay, I'm going to ask. Others open the book and learn. Those Ishita learn. First lecture, that's why she was sleeping. That's why. Huh? Now, so Ayush, no, stop talking and listen. That's it. Total surface area of a pond. Hello. All of you stop talking. You are standing to learn the formula.
Then you will ask this.
You learn.
What is total surface area of hollow cylinder?
Hollow cylinder, I did not give now. There are 4 pieces are here. That is the problem. Other things you learn. Okay, do one thing. Those who know about all the formula of cylinder, sit down. Those who know all the formula of cylinder, sit down.
Sir, hollow cylinder.
Cylinder means every cylinder. Hollow cylinder or other cylinder. There are 4 people are sitting. 5. Who is that sitting behind? Ishmit also sitting? Yes. Yeah. Razim, stand up. What is the volume of hollow cylinder? It's wrong. Yeah. Ishmit Singh, stand up. What is the total surface area of the cylinder? Here. Wrong. Total surface area. Pratik Panga, stand up. Who is that? Ishita knows now. Smart. Okay. So, what is the volume of the hollow cylinder?
Sir, R minus R into pi R minus.
Okay. Who else? Expert of So, volumes are. Hello. Hey, Arshita, move back. She is very distant.
Sir, reality, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Akansha, stand up. Total surface area of the cylinder.
Sir, 2 by R plus H.
Volume of the cylinder.
So,
Sit down. Nail. Volume of the Monroe cylinder. Okay, what is the total surface area of the cylinder? If I ask volume of the cylinder, volume, base area of the cylinder. Sit down. All of you sit down. Yeah, I know. All of you, I don't know. Yeah. All of you listen now. Suppose, whenever the total cost is given, to find out, suppose it is given, total cost of painting its surface is equal to 1,000 rupees. And cost per meter square is equal to 10 rupees. Then what is your conclusion? Anyone? Total cost for painting is equal to 1,000 rupees. Cost per meter square is equal to 10 rupees. Therefore, area is equal to total cost divided by cost per meter square. Very good. Understood or not? If it is given, next is, if the total cost of a solid is given as, listen, total cost of a solid is equal to 1,000 rupees. Cost per meter cube is equal to 10 rupees. Volume is equal to total cost divided by cost per meter cube. These all things you have to apply the conditions. Okay, now another situation, listen all of you. Another one. Here, when any liquid, let's say water inside the glass, what is the shape of the water?
The shape of the glass.
Shape of the glass means if it is cylindrical means cylinder. Okay, conical means. Now, suppose if the glass is cylindrical. Okay, what is the radius of the water? Radius of the cylinder. If water inside a cylinder, what is the radius of the water means? Radius of the cylinder. What is the height of the water? Height of the water level. It's not necessary to full of water means height of the cylinder. If it is still whatever level. Understood or not? Okay. Now, Archimedes law, Yes or no? So that principle, if it is from this one. So, if it is this one, a bottle or any vessel contains water, a stone is dropped. How much water is equal to the volume of the stone? Okay, volume is equal to. These all basic concept. Always we are going to use. But I will do same thing on you. Shall I come there? I'll make one circle on you. I'll try. So put it. Whose is that? Whose is that? Yours only, inside the bag. All of you take the first exercise. Next class, listen all of you. The next class, that is Monday when you are coming, I will be asking these all formula you have to learn and come.
Yes, sir. Sir,
If not means punishment will be good.
sir, what day is
Punishment will be writing formula. Huh? Yeah. Exercise 20.1 taken.
No, sir.
Page 64. Who doesn't have volume? Why you don't have volume? Meeting was there. Are we following? Okay, formula learn. Okay. Digit, you brought the volume. Why? Page number 64. Where is your volume?
Sir, it was lost.
It is lost means when are you?
I asked for a new volume. They said they will tell me.
Nehal, stop talking. Shambhavi standard. Read the first question. Ayush. Yeah. Do you know the formula for this all? Diameter is given as how much? 28 centimeters, isn't it? Therefore, what is the radius? 28 by 2, which is equal to 14 centimeter. And what is its height? 21 centimeter. What is the first value you have to find out? Chord surface area. What is the formula for chord surface area? CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. What is the value of pi to be taken? 22. Listen, all of you. Listen. Check, always check in the question the value. Pratik, now I'll send you out of the class. Seriously, I'm telling you. Now, even if this one over here, listen. First and foremost, check in the question value of pi is given or not. If it is given, means always use that value. Value of pi is either 22 by 7 or 3.14 or whatever is given. If it is not given, always use the value of pi as 22 by 7. Okay. And according to the question, sometimes we can put 3.14. Now, here 2 times 22 by 7 times what is our 14 times 21. Do not multiply. First thing is what? Cancel.
44.
Sir, 1,800.
Hello, I will ask you people then. All of you multiply. 22 2s are 44 into 42.
Okay, sir.
Multiply and get the value. Now need to shout the answers. Who got the answer? Srijit, what is the answer?
1848.
1848 units centimeter square. Second part, what you have to find out? Total surface area. We know what is the formula. 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Already 2 pi RH you found out 1848 plus 2 times 22 by 7. R is how much? 14 times 14 square. Cancel. Simplify 1848. Don't add, don't shout the answers. 44 into 28. Multiply and add. Those who done the raise the hands. 3, 4. 5, 6. Rasim, what is the answer you got?
2,018 centimeters.
2080. Is it so? It's wrong. What is it? 44 into 28?
930.
Huh? Huh? 1232 is equal to how much? 3080 centimeter square.
Yes.
It's or not?
Yes, sir.
Let him find out his problem. Be careful when adding simplification. See, I'm looking at.
123.
Listen, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Centimeter square. All of you listen. This question comes for 3 or 4 marks. Listen carefully. You know what the teacher tells? Teacher will check this answer, this answer. If it is correct, immediately check if the formula is written. Full mark. If it is wrong, they will check what is the formula is written. Formula altogether maximum 1 mark. Not that this step is cancelled or this step is mistake. Understood or not? So you have to be careful. These all nobody is going to see whether this calculation is correct, this calculation. Nobody is going to check. Only this one. Last answer correct. Check formula is there. Yes. If mistake means formula is correct, formula bar. Understood? So you have to be extremely careful. Second question. Okay. Second question. Read the question. Need.
The volume of the
The volume of the vessel in the form of a right circular cylinder is 448 by 448 by
448 by what?
centimeter cube.
Then read properly now.
Height is 7 centimeter.
Height is equal to 7 centimeter.
Find the radius of it.
Find the radius of its base. The volume is given, height is given. Directly use the volume formula and substitute. Pi don't need to substitute. Pi will be automatically cancelled. Right? Volume is equal to pi r square h. Replace the value. I'll give you 30 seconds to complete.
The first part has third part as volume.
Third part also there. Nobody said. Okay, now first is complete. Substitute and complete this one. Check the answer. Last time you made mistake.
Sir, this time I'm.
Sir, what the
Hey, don't shout the answers. Those who got the answer, raise the hand only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Five. Akansha, what is the answer you got? Huh? Then which question you miss? What is the answer you got? 8 and radius equal to 8 centimeter. Those who did not get, look here. 448 pi is equal to pi value. Don't need to substitute r square into 7. Therefore, r square is equal to 448 pi upon 7 times 5. Cancel. This is coming along with 64. R is equal to root 64 8. Therefore, it is equal to 8 centimeter. Hope all of you followed.
Yes, sir.
Check the step. Now, in the first question, there was a third part I did not make you to do. So, write this first question, third part, volume. First question, third part is volume is pi r square h. Replace the value. 22 by 7 times 14 into 14 into 21. 22 3s are 66 into 196. I am repeating once again. Remember the square still 30, 30 and cube still 15. Long time back I asked you people to learn. I don't know how many of you learned.
Yeah.
Volume find out.
Sir, very good.
This is the first question, third part. Learn to get the answer without mistake. Still, there are 3, 4 only getting answer without mistake. It's not the answer only without mistake you have to get. That's important. Hello, what happened? Atharva, what happened? Calculate. He's helping you to calculate. It's written everything over here now.
60.
So what do you have to see? You have to. Varun, what is the answer you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 8 centimeter. No, sir.
No, sir. 6, 6 are how much? What is 6, 6 are?
36.
How it is coming at
4,
4, 8,
6 only.
Knee.
1, 2, 9, 3. Sir, 1, 2, 9, 3.
1, 2, 9, 3, 6
Sir, it is 12936.
centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Be careful. Calculation, you have to be very careful. All of you trying to get, because you know, this is, then you will learn how to calculate. Okay, there are people are struggling to multiply cancellations. No. Next, let's come to the next question onwards. Listen, those okay, next question. Akansha, read the next question.
The third question, right?
Third question.
The height and radius of the base of a cylinder are in relation based to 1. If its volume is constant, 1029 cubic centimeter, find the
Okay. Height and radius are in the ratio of 3:1. So how will you take Akansha? Height is equal to h is equal to 3x and r is equal to 1x. Volume is equal to 10295. Same formula replace. All of you will do it. Volume is equal to pi r square h. Substitute and get the value of x. All of you. Don't discuss. Do it yourself.
Yes, sir.
Substitute both the sides and get the answer. Learn how to get the answers. We want to substitute both the sides. Don't put the value of pi.
Why, sir?
Left side 5 is there, no? Make this big, sir. Hello. Those who got the answer, raise the hand.
Done, sir.
Wrong. When value of x. Value of x is equal to 7. How many we got? There are 4 people got. I said no cubes learn 7 cube. Those who do not get, look here. 1029. Pi is equal to pi times r is x times 3x the whole square. Sorry, x square times 3x. That is 5 will cut. 1029 is equal to 3x cube. X cube. So simple one, making it complicated. 343. Paritosh. Which question without mistake you done? X is equal to 7. What is the final? First page, that's it.
Here x equals to 21.
What all you have to find out? Find the Akansha. What you have to find out? Find the total surface area. So first is h is equal to 3x means 21 and r is equal to x means 7 centimeter. Then we have to find out total surface area. That is 2 pi r times h plus r. That is 2 times 22 upon 7 times 7 times 21 plus 7. Let's see who is going to get the answer. It's very simple. This we have done already.
Done.
One is carrying the page.
Sir, that's it. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 2.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
44 to 28. We are
Same.
done now. First question you are done. 132 centimeters square. Still, not interested. Exam also.
No math is no calculation.
Into a still not. Yeah, okay now. Completed all of you. Look here. You must learn how to calculate. That's why I am giving you time without mistake. For method, I am explaining the remaining part. I can see only 4 or 5 only seriously getting the answers. Others are trying but still not reached. There are some people are just copying only. Yeah. Yeah. Next question. Yeah. Completed all of you? Yes. Why don't read the next question? Now, all 4 I will, with you only. Keep it to a side and should not see that water will be fallen down. Okay. Yeah. Read the question.
Find the volume of the largest cylinder formed on a rectangular piece of paper 20 centimeter by 15 centimeter is put along its length.
What happened all you 3, 4? I had to separate you all to different places. Then you will all be okay. But one question without mistake, you people are not able to do. Yeah. Because then show the next question, show me. I don't need to explain now. How many are able to do? Now, listen here. Listen, you have to be careful. There is a rectangular sheet of paper whose length is equal. All of you listen here. Stop writing and listen. Hello. And after writing everything in cross, then you'll be happy.
Yes.
Look. Rectangular sheet of paper whose length is equal to how much? 22 centimeter and breadth is equal to how much? Now, next is this paper is converted to a cylinder. This can be converted one this way or it can be converted in this way. Now, the first thing is it is not both the ways, not case one, case two. One of the ways is given. Now, listen carefully. I need to hear. Look, please stand up from there.
Sir,
Please stand up from there. Take the book.
no, sir.
Take your notebook. Just go behind. What are you doing? Why are you removing the paper?
Sir, I've written something.
Just go behind and sit over there. Go, go. Do it fast. Take it and go. Do that one. And last minute you do whatever you want. Stand up. Go and sit behind. When the question is going on, this 10 minutes only water distribution was going on. Again, this another. Please stand up. Go behind and sit. And no need of volume. We will discuss the questions. You want to go with him? Huh? That he will look after his problem. Okay. Now, look, there are identify which is the way it is to be done. That is most important thing. Is it this way? This is the first way. Is it the, I will not need to shout, I will ask, is it the second way? Now, those who feel it's the first way, raise a hand.
Can you show the first one?
After you do your work now, then I will do separate alcohol and do it.
Sir, I know.
Sir, please, quiet. When I discuss, you have to listen. That's why I asked you to listen. Those who feel it is the first way, raise the hand. 1, 2, 3. Are you sure? Later down there, sir, I did. Is it the second? Those who feel it's the second way, raise the hand. Now, listen carefully. So it is either first or second way. One will be correct. Now look, who was reading the question? Yes, read the question once again.
Find the volume of the largest slitter formed when a rectangular piece of paper weighing 2 centimeters by 16 centimeters rolled along its compass. Ooh,
You want to change it again?
yes.
So, what is the way? Second way. Now listen all of you. This is the longest side. Along it is this only, this is the way, that is the first way. Understood? Look here. Along. This is folded along this way. So which way is the answer? There, this is the one, first way, not the second way. Means, look here carefully. This is the one. This is the length. Rotating along where? Along the longest ways. Therefore, it is the circumference of the base is equal to how much? The total length. That is equal to how much? 22. If I am folding this way, what will be circumference of the base? That is equal to 15. That is why you have to be extremely careful. Both the ways are different values are coming. So here, same, write down. Since the paper is rotated along the longer side, paper is rotated along the longer side, circumference is equal to length. Therefore, 2 pi r is equal to 22. 22 is given now. Therefore, r is equal to 20. Length of the paper. Therefore, 2 pi r is equal to 22. Therefore, r is equal to 22 by 2 pi. 2 into 22 into 7.
7/2.
That is equal to 7 by 2. No need to make any decimal, keep positive. Because it's not the final answer. And height is equal to the other side. What is the height? Other side is how much? 15. Is 15 centimeter. We have to find out the volume. Volume is equal to pi r square h. 22 by 7 times 7 by 2 times 7 by 2 times 15. So 1 7 is cancelled, 1 2 is cancelled. Multiply and divide by 2. 77 into 15 by 2. You have seen the paper is rotated. Huh? When 3 times I only people listen. Now we will do it. Then after that I have to my punishment for me, no? So it is rotated this way. This is length. So the cylinder is come down this way. So this is the circumference is equal to the length of the paper. Understood or not? If you are rotating this way, circumference is equal to how much? Breadth of the paper. That's why when I tell listen, you have to listen.
1151.
So multiplication done.
Yes, sir.
How much?
1155 by
1
2 pages.
1155 divided by 2. That is
575.
57.5. 577.5 centimeter cube. 577.5 centimeter cube. Completed all of you? Yes. Next question. Ayush, read the question loudly.
Find the length of 11 kg copper wire of a diameter 0.4 centimeter. If 1 cubic centimeter of copper weight 8.4 grams.
All of you read the question once again. All of you read? Do you know what is the shape of the copper wire? What is the weight in this one? 11 kg. What is its diameter?
0.4 centimeter.
Okay. In this case, listen here, this wire thickness will be same as the diameter, remember. Thickness of the wire means always it is the diameter, like this wire. If you see its thickness means its diameter. Okay, that is the condition. So you read the question and accordingly do. Now, listen carefully. The weight is given and the next condition is 1 centimeter cube of wire weighs how much? 8.4 gram. Therefore, what will be the volume? Total weight divided by weight for 1 centimeter cube. Okay, total weight is equal to how much? 11 kilogram. That is in kilogram and this is in gram. So you have to convert. So first you write weight is equal to 11 kg, which is equal to 11,000 gram or 11 into 1000 multiply, right? Total weight is equal to 11 into 1000 grams. Next, weight of 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8.4 gram. Those who are not followed, you can ask. Therefore, volume is equal to. Volume is equal to. Who has not followed? What you not followed? Do you know what is this question? Did you read? What do you not follow? Tell me. That is a question I am writing now. Write down there. Volume is equal to total weight divided by weight of 1 centimeter cube. That is equal to 11 into 1000 divided by 8.4. What is the unit? Centimeter cube. Total. This is the formula. Remember, Arshita, if you wanted to learn. So weight volume is equal to total weight divided by weight per centimeter. No need to simplify, leave as it is. No need to do anything. At last you can do. This is not the answer to get. What you have to find out? Length of the wire. You know what I mean by length of the wire? Its height. Okay. So radius is equal to, next is diameter is how much? 0.4. Therefore radius equal to 0.2 centimeter. That is 2 by 10 centimeter. Formula volume is equal to pi r square h. We have the value of volume. You have pi, you have r. You have to find out h. Can you do it? Can you do, or I should do it? Replace 11 into 1000 divided by 8.4 is equal to 22 by 7 into 2 by 10 into 2 by 10 into h. Cross multiply. H is equal to 11 into 1000 divided by 84 means one more 10 will come into 7 upon 22 will come to 10 by 2 into 10 by 2. Reciprocals will go to the other side. Check the steps and do it properly. Not followed how cross multiplication done means tell me. Now cancel and get the answer. Don't multiply, cancel. This unit is centimeter, no need to make it to decimal. I'll tell you when to be at which point you have to make it to decimal. Are you followed this one? They will not followed. Followed. Now cancel and multiply and make it to, if it is a fraction means keep in fraction form. If everything cancel, fine. Anyone getting, not getting, tell me, I will. Fraction, keep in fraction only, don't make into decimal.
Sir, I'm getting directly this one.
Huh?
Sir,
Cancel further. Don't multiply. But this is reduced completely.
Sir, 19 lakh 70.
Look, 12 sevens are 84. 7 twos are 250 into 125 divided by 3. This much who got?
Yes.
This much centimeter you can further reduce. Listen here. This only convert into meter. Is equal to 250 into 125 divided, this is centimeter. 3 into 100 meter. 1 0 cancel. So it is coming as 5 and it is 2. That is equal to 625 divided by 6 meter. 104
Sir, I got
1 by 6.
Sir, I got one, 1, 4, 1,
Check.
Yes, sir.
No calculation, nothing. I did not do even a single multiplication.
Sir, I got 1416.6.
What?
Sir, I got 10416.6.
10.
416.6.
Who asked you to make into decimal? You can understand my language, over. What did I tell? Fraction. If those who got 1, it is 660 is going on now. So divide by 100, 104.16. That much centimeter you got now, 1041. That is 1014. 10. If you are doing those who did by decimal, it will come 10416.66.
Yes.
Divide by 100 means 104.166. That is same thing only. That's why as far as possible, don't take into decimal at last moment only division control. See, I got this much. I need to convert this to centimeter, so convert. If you want to divide making the 166, that is equal to break time. You should not do this one. No, that's another activity. No? That is a check the step. Try to learn the method how it is simplification. Simplification, so most of the questions are not that too difficult. You have to identify the way you have to do. Naira, read the next question.
Slide to 1.5 seconds. First, distance traveled by the system 4.5 seconds. Area called the period.
All of you read that question again. What happened to you? I'm going to read. I have to discuss the next question.
The 12 was
12 was
simplified with
12 sevens are 84. So 12 is simplified with this one. 250 into 4 is 1000. 3 4s are.
7.
Yeah. Actually, cancellation is for me. Now listen carefully. This question I have to explain little. Listen, all of you. There is a cylinder. Are you listening now? Now,
Yes, sir.
after that, I will not explain this. Look over here. I'm going to explain over here. Look over here. I will not explain further. A cylinder is kept over there. Okay. And I'm going to rotate once. Okay. Once rotating, like if the cylinder is there, means rotated and keep it over here and rotation is come over here. The cylinder, imagine, okay, this is rotated. Okay. Suppose if it is coming over here after rotation, so this is started from here, the cylinder was here, rotated and reached here. Okay, this rotated, slided and reached over here. Now, what will be this? That is the length or height of the cylinder.
Yes, sir.
What will be this one? That is what is the distance traveled?
Yes, sir.
It is PSA. That is the circumference now.
Yes, yes.
Are you followed or not? Look here, it is rotating from here, it is rotating now. What is moving here? Its circumference is moving. Means distance traveled in one revolution is same as the circumference. What will be this area? What will be this area? It is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When a cylinder is rotated once, okay, so write down. When a cylinder is rotated once, comma, below write down. Distance covered, no? What's the question asked? Distance covered in no? Distance traveled is equal to circumference. Distance traveled is equal to circumference. Distance traveled in one revolution or one rotation. Distance traveled in one rotation is equal to circumference. Next slide. Area covered in one rotation is equal to CSA. Area covered in one rotation is equal to CSA. Written. Those who are not followed, again I will explain. I repeat once again, when a cylinder is rotate at once, distance covered, distance traveled is equal to circumference and area covered is equal to how much? CSA. CSA means C curved surface area. Are you followed now? This much is clear. Okay, now next is for the cylinder, what all things is given? Circumference is equal to how much is given? 8 centimeter means 2 pi r is equal to 8 centimeter. Not. Who asked you to find out? Nobody asked now. That is not required. And not required also. Leave as it is. Next. What is the length means height is equal to how much? 21 centimeter. This much is given. In 1 second, how many revolutions? So right now, this much you wrote below. When right, number of rotations or number of revolutions in 1 second. In 1 second is equal to how much? 9. Therefore, number of revolutions in how many seconds we have to find out? 4.5 seconds. Will be how much? 9 into 4.5 is equal to 81 by 2. 9 into what you not followed? That is given in the question. When the revolution this is given, it is rotating in 1 second, 9 revolution. The question is asked, what is the distance traveled in 4.5? These are all given in the question. Therefore, it is equal to 81 revolutions. Okay. Therefore, distance right, distance traveled in 4.5 seconds is equal to 81 by 2 into circumference. 81 by 2 into circumference, which is equal to 81 by 2 into circumference how much? 8. That is equal to 324. That means how much? Centimeter. Why did you find out the value bar? How many distance number of how in this one? Distance travel in 4.5, it is 81 by 2 revolution now. 1 revolution is equal to how much? Circumference. So 81 by 2 revolution means 81 by 2 into circumference. You have written the first property now. 1 revolution is equal to circumference. So 81 by 2 is equal to 81 by 2 into circumference. Okay, now that is the first condition you got. Now what is the second part they asked? Area. So, right. Area covered. Area covered in 4.5 seconds is equal to 81 by 2 into CSA. Are you followed? In 1 revolution area covered is CSA. That is 81 by 2. So 81 by 2 into what is CSA formula? 2 pi RH. We have the value of 2 pi r. How much? 8 into 21. Rasim, do you need to find out again or not required? So, how much? 81 into 4 into 21. 324. 6, 8.
Sir, 6, 6, 8.
Multiply and find out. 31, 81 into 4, 324. 6804, what is the unit?
Centimeters.
6804 centimeters square. Are you followed or not?
Yes, sir.
Third part is there.
No, sir.
Area of the ground is there? No. Sometimes you will get the other part, you find the area of the ground or number of rotations per count. It's given in the question. If it is given, then you have to find out that much. Okay, that's not. All techniques are,
Hitting us.
yeah. All the techniques, but the answer has. In a day, how many times you have to go? Sit down there, break time, full time, you are there only. Yeah. Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ayush, you are sitting and talking only. I have to change you 3, 4 now.
No, sir.
I'm taking your.
No, sir.
Now I'll, Nikhil, you come and sit and I'll tell the Ayush, sir. You're scared of him? Hey. Atharva, you have done this question? No, that's it, you are talking, this second going, na?
That's 7th question.
This is which question, 6th question now? Okay, Parth, read the 7th question properly and loudly.
A cylindrical container with random radius is 10 centimeter. Contains water up to a height of 7 centimeter. Find the area of water. Find the area of magnet button of the plant.
Read the question once again loudly. Those who are not followed, listen to him.
A cylindrical container with internal radius of its base 10 centimeters contains water up to a height of 7 centimeter. Find the area of magnet surface of the cylinder.
So what is the shape of water? Cylinder. What is the radius?
10.
10. What is the height of the water?
7
centimeter. Height of the cylinder not given. How many surfaces are wetted? Only one. Wrong. Okay, and this tunnel is with water. The bottom base is wet and this area is wet.
Yes, sir.
So CS become base area plus CSA up to a height of how many centimeter? Height of the water. Okay, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So right now, right, area R is equal to 10 centimeter. In the below, right, R is equal to 10 centimeter return. Below, area of the wetted surface is equal to area of the wetted surface is equal to base area plus base area plus CSA with H is equal to 7 centimeter. CSA with H is equal to 7 centimeter. That is pi r square plus 2 pi r H. So put the values. Pi r square plus 2 pi r H. You have the value of R, you have the value of H. Pi you put 22 by 7. Simplify. Let's see. If you want, I'll show one more part. Take pi r as common.
So what is R?
R plus 2H. R is 10. Have you seen? Pi r you can take common.
Yes, sir.
So 22 by 7 times 10 times 10 plus 2 times 7. Which 24. Make it the fraction form only. Don't go to decimals. Check what is done on the board and look at what he had done. And your method is easy, this is easy, check. Who got it? Very good, Nikhil. 5280 upon 7, make it a mixed fraction.
That's 75.
75 wrong. 7 sevens are 49. 3, 7, 5.
75 for 2 by 7.
7, 5, 4.
2 by 7.
2 by 7. This makes centimeter square. Huh? Do you want to make it decimal? Decimal. Okay, no problem. Make it to 2 places. Mixed price, this one it is done. The recurring ones now. Recurring ones, you know, we can make it a mixed fraction. Okay, it is not. What happened? You could not multiply divide. Then what happened? What was the problem? If you got the answer, you don't get the answer.
Yes, sir.
All of you listen. Listen. Next day coming, please learn the formula and come.
Yes, sir.
And do it in the class because I should get them these are answers. People did not get the answer.
Sir, 10 was.
Yeah, want the pen.
Yes. Sir, no, this is.
Did not know it.
Sir, only one question. Why is only one question? Sir.
डस्टबिन में दे टेम्परेचर